Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Some people say that historical buildings should be knocked down while others say that they should be preserved. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Being a part of national heritage, the historical buildings are precious and the reflection of past infrastructure. These are not only the proof of identity but also show the past architecture. Although these are quite important, yet some people question their existence on various bases, including their irrelevancy in present time due to change of needs, as these cannot serve the purpose of the modern requirements. To start with the need of preserving the historical buildings, these emphasize the cultural and educational significance. These are tangible link of the past which show the interest of our ancestors in construction as well as style of buildings which is educational. The value can be better understood by visiting there, as these attract a lot of visitors worldwide, including Taj Mahal in India and Colosseum in Rome. Further, these can be a great source of income and contribute to the economic development. The renovation is far better via maintenance and restoration rather than demolishing and constructing new ones. On the other hand, historical buildings were constructed in the past where availability of space was more, and usually these are found in the mid of the downtown. The construction was done horizontally as the available space was far more than required, so these make main city center crowded in many cities. Apart from this, the demand of space is more due to population explosion nowadays, so there is trend of vertical growth. Besides, the concept of safety standard, utilization and installation of equipment was different from today. These are not earthquake resistant, unfit for disabled people and lack insulation. Therefore, these do not serve the purpose of modern needs. In conclusion, while there are good reasons to replace old buildings with new ones, there are also strong reasons to preserve them for the sake of cultural continuity and tourism-driven economic growth. I believe that the most appropriate course of action is to strike a balance between advancement and heritage. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.